If you like colorful things, then today's video is for you. Today we are going to merge some really different looking colors in one eye makeup. First we are going to prime our eyes with Swiss Beauty Concealer Palette. You can also use any other concealer if you like. But make sure the product you're using for priming holds a lot of eyeshadow so that you can get maximum color payoff. I'm going to apply the lightest colored concealer because the eye makeup has really bright colors and bright colors pop with lighter colored base. White will be even better. Spread it all over your eyes with the help of a brush or a tiny sponge. Carve your eyebrows. I have shaped my eyebrows earlier using Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil. If you want to know how that eyebrow pencil works, then subscribe to my channel. You will see a review on that product really soon. Spread it all over and around your upper lid. Leave the lower lid for now. We are going to do it after the face. I'm using Ucanbe Pretty All Set eyeshadow palette. That's a ginormous eyeshadow palette and most of you would not want to buy that. So this is the one that you can try. All these colors will be found in this shadow and some other suggestions will also be given in the description box. First I'm going to take a purple color that has a lot of pink in it and I will apply it right at the crease to intensify the crease or the socket of my eye. First tap the product at place because purples and blues are very delicate pigment. They can patch really easily. After putting the pigment, spread it with tapping motion. No need to rub it on your base. If you feel like your purple is not dark enough as I do, so you can use a blue color pigment right on the crease so that the purple intensifies and darkens a little bit. Now it's time for transition. I'm going to take a pink eyeshadow and spread it on and above the crease. Yes, place the product first on the crease because you don't want to stamp huge amount of product right at the place where it should be light. And spread. Go little by little because bright colors can make a mess very easily. At the outer corner, it's going to come a little down before going up, but it's not going to meet my lash line. We are going to keep it clean. Now I'm going to take that same remaining concealer on my brush and put it on my lid again to make it a little more tacky for the blue eyeshadow, sky blue eyeshadow that I'm going to use. I'm not going to take any extra product. We are not creating a cut crease right now, but only making the base a little more sticky. Now take a flat shader brush and put the blue colored pigment on your eye. No need to blend it, just put it at place. Take more and put on the remaining areas because you want the maximum color payoff. Apply it all over your lid from the inner corner to the outer corner and also creating a little wing-like effect at the end if there is any space left. Once your eyelid is done, check if there is any area where you need more pigment, then apply. Like here, I'm applying deeper blue color on my crease to intensify the crease. Also intensify the outer corner with the darker blue, reapplying the pink and blending everything together. I want this blue to be more shiny, but this eyeshadow palette doesn't have a shimmery blue color. That's why I'm going to take a teal eyeshadow and put it on this blue. I'm going to apply a really thin layer so it doesn't change the color, but I get the glitter because this glitter in this palette is pretty universal. It blends with other colors also. This is the great part with this eyeshadow palette. And see how it made my eye makeup pop. Now we are going to take a liquid eyeliner and apply a wing. Making a wing in such type of eye makeup is a good idea because you have not done much at the outer corner with other colors. It's pretty plain, so you can add some oomph using this winged eyeliner. For the length of your eyelashes, you can keep it really thin or a little thicker if you like. For me, thin is enough. Merging the transition shade with the eyeliner. So this is the completed look. If you want to know how I created this face makeup using the techniques used by makeup artists of Kardashians and celebrities like Jennifer Lopez, then subscribe to my channel. I will be posting it next. If you like this video and this eye makeup also, then click on this like button so that I also know that you actually liked it. This type of color combination also looks fascinating in cut crease eye makeup. If you want to know how to slay cut crease eye makeup, then click on this video. This is Ayush. I'll see you there.